guys. Thank you for
Mhm.
attending this kind of event. And also, thank you so much, Miss Jala and Uno Immigration Services, for having me here tonight for you to share our Rockford College. So I will share first my screen. All right. So why is it study in Australia and why Rockford College? Australia is the best city to live in for students. So there's a famous tourist destination and other national park. Um, I will mention to you what is the benefit of studying in Australia. First, if you are first working while studying, the benefits if you are students can work up to 48 hours per fortnight or 24 hours per week. So meaning to say that is the limit of us international student to do the work for part-time. Take note, it's only a part-time job for international students, and you can work unlimited hours during the term break. So it means if you are in a term break, for example, this coming holidays, term break yan. So you have unlimited hours to save or work for your to save for your essentials and even using it for your tuition fee for extensive student support while studying in Australia. Student also have the we have the best student support when it comes to the students struggling with their academics. So once you are struggling or you need help when it comes to the academic, you can approach our student support services when it comes to your struggling or even in the payment terms. Also you can ask for assistance when it comes to that because our college can assist you when it comes to the payment terms, like if you want the weekly payment, something like that. Or and lastly, global recognition. Your diploma will be internationally internationally recognized. Our trainers are highly qualified and experienced professionals with relevant industry experience, and our training materials are practical and up to date and industry related. So our trainers are very up to date when it comes to that. So you will not worry about our trainers support with you when it comes in studying. So yeah. Next, our Rockford College has two campuses. We have the Rockdale campus and the Gosford, which is our regional campus. Rockdale campus is almost 1.5 hours away from the CBD, and it is 30 minutes away from the airport. We are proudly say that our Rockford College is assessment level 2, which means the required documents is very easy to provide, especially to our Filipino student. Our courses, we have the project management, kitchen and hospitality, information technology, graduate diploma, and also we have the newly added course, which is our civil construction design, management, accounting and bookkeeping, early childhood and care, and individual support and community service. Those courses or programs that we are offering are very in demand in Australia once you are finished studying these diplomas. So this is our price list for 2025. For as low as 3,150 per term, um, we can offer you the good service and the quality of education. So for that, the required payment or initial payment for these programs are 2 terms. for us to show that you are capable to study in Australia. So we require that payment terms also. Yan yung example namin. So we have how you will apply in our college. Syempre, sobrang easy lang naman. Syempre, number one, passport, your transcript of records, resume, which is Miss Jella mentioned earlier when it comes to that. And also, we need your IELTS or English proficiency result or test. We also accepting PTE or TOEFL for that. So yeah, and also for the GTE documents, we need your statement of purpose, your evidence of funds or financial support statement for your sponsorship. So we have available intakes for January to November. So this is the intakes for 2025, January 20, February, April, May, July, August, October, and November. So for the living expenses and overseas student health cover or the OSHC, Uno Immigration Services will be the one to assist you when it comes to that. And they have a partner or other when it comes to the accommodation, maybe they have a partner accommodation to assist you. And also when it comes to the health cover. Actually, that's it for now because much better to have a one-on-one consultation or a question and answers for that. Thank you, Miss Jella, and thank you, Uno Immigration Services, for having me here.